अच्छा तो फर्स्ट टाइम डोनेशन कैंप्स बहुत कम कंडक्ट होता है तो लकीली इसमें डोनेट कर दिया। लास्ट टाइम मेंशन के समय हुआ था तो कर नहीं पाया। मेरा छोटा भाई भी एनडीरेस कर रहा है तो बोलते रहता है डेम डोनेट करना चाहिए, गुड फॉर एवरीवन, विन-विन सिचुएशन।
यस
हाँ, ये मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम है। बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है देखे। जब आया था थोड़ा बहुत नर्वस था, लेकिन अब अच्छा लग रहा है। ये मेरे बाकी दोस्त लोग आए हैं, 5-6 दे रहे हैं वहाँ।
क्या पेट्रोल हॉल से है क्या दूसरा हॉल से? विच हॉल यू आर
ना यार, मैं ट्रिपल एम हॉल से।
ट्रिपल हॉल से विच ईयर यू
इज MSc फर्स्ट ईयर।
MSc first. Very good. Thank you. This is the third in the queue, third person in the queue. So
I think it's my, I don't remember. अभी हिंदी बोल रहा हूँ।
हाँ।
मुझे अभी ये भी याद नहीं मैं कितनी बार दे रहा हूँ।
is it?
5-7 बार दिया होगा पहले से।
अच्छा अच्छा.
और इससे कुछ नहीं होता। मैं सबको कहूँगा कि बताऊँ आप भी दीजिए। इट्स नोबेल कोर्स।
And you are from which hall?
ट्रिपल एम।
You all are from Triple M. You are also from Triple M?
No, I'm from RK Hall. I'm in my final year, right?
You are in the final year. Okay. Thank you.
My relative was there.
It is pending. It is so much pain indeed. He needs blood. No one is there to donate blood.
Okay.
So he is my close relative. So after that I come to know that if I donate blood right now, then that will also become useful to someone which is required. So that's why I am come here.
So that had been your motivation, that some personal tragedy and all.
Really, that's why I am.
So what was your motivation? This Ekta Divas or something, or just like that?
Nothing like motivation. It's our duty to donate blood because money doesn't buy everything like blood. If one has to buy blood, if you have money,
cannot get.
that doesn't mean you are able to buy blood. So that's why it is duty to everyone to us that we should donate blood.
Cannot be synthetically generated. I mean, yet only person can donate.
Yes.
This is your first time or you have donated before? Huh?
First time.
First time? So, I mean,
First of all, I want to say that it's my great pleasure to donate blood. And thanks to the Hotel Hall of President for taking.
you are from which place? Which hall?
Triple M.
Triple M. You are also Triple M. Oh, okay. Excellent. So motivation had been just that it is a duty for each one of us to come forward.
My father is my greatest motivation.
Your father.
He always inspired me to donate blood. He donates many times, but I could not donate before due to some illness.
Okay.
So
This time you didn't lose the opportunity. Excellent. This is your first time? Would you like to say? Just what had been your motivation? I mean, why you donate blood?
why?
You donate blood. क्यों blood donate कर रहे हैं आप?
इनसे इच्छा हुई कि कुछ करना है.
कुछ करना है. ठीक है.
They rejected me many times saying that I was underweight.
Okay. So this time lucky. Okay, fine. So didn't you feel scared, like they'll prick something and all in your blood doesn't scare you, that color and other things? Oh, that's great. Any message for other girls?
They'll be coming from my hall. They are on the way.
So you want to organize something? You are from
I'll go and
SM
tell them.
Hall or which hall? You are
Sam Hall.
Sam Hall. So would you like to organize one blood donation camp in the girls' hall
Yeah, in future.
in future? Okay, thank you. I mean, why you donate blood?
Sir, because everyone needs, there are people, so many people who need blood, but they might not get at the time of requirement, just to be able
Is
to
it
help them.
you said that this is the first time you are donating? So anything special, like these Ekta Divas and other things, anything played on your mind, like why this time, not before?
So this time we came to know on time. Other times we did not come to know someone at that time.
What about you?
So it was my first time only, and the same reason I didn't know.
You
I
are-
only informed her on
Okay. So you are in which program? You are in undergraduate, postgraduate, which program?
BTEX.
BTech. Which year?
I'm in the fourth year.
Okay. And didn't you feel scared? Like why girls are less found in blood donation camps? I mean, do they feel scared, like the
So firstly,
blood, red color, and other things?
No, I don't think so. I think main reason might be that they don't know.
They don't know.
Yeah, I think.
So would you like to do some kind of awareness campaign in your hall and in SN Hall in near future?
actually, sir,
Can we
if
see a
they
blood
can
donation
put,
camp? Huh?
If they can put up some posters and all, it will help. And actually, sir, I mean, before even I was feeling scared, but when they announced that they will also donate his
That's
blood.
right. That's why you can be the brand ambassador of this blood donation campaign. So
Sir, actually, when we came to know that the Dean will donate his blood, we were more sure of the arrangements and all. So if they can popularize it along with this.
no,
plan-
we'll put up these videos in YouTube and all, and definitely your interviews will also be
Just
there.
Before one day, because today is a holiday also, so just before one day, they can put up in
So
halls
you can talk to your hall president, James G6 and all, and you can target only 50 units. You don't need to target too many. I mean, like 150 they're targeting here, but 50 units is doable, I believe, if you do appropriate campaigning. Okay, so you guess something like girls hostel coming up with blood donation camp. That is the future for IIT Kharagpur. Thank you. Between your motivation for this blood donation.
Motivation is just my friends. Because of my friends, they are willing to donate the blood.
So basically, you also feel spirited and a big tempo.
Actually, first time I decided that I have to donate the blood this time. In the past, in my previous college, many of my friends donated blood.
Okay.
So I thought that now it's my time to go on.
So, I mean, what is the usual inhibition? Is it that blood and something will be pricked and all? I mean, usually people, get scared. I mean, what could be the cause? I mean, why?
Actually, you see,
And what you had to work on actually to become a first-time donor?
there is no any such kind of barrier for me.
Okay.
Just the only thing is that it's a very good job, and just enjoying here in the IIT and being a part of such a campaign.
Right.
It's really very good, and I think that one must donate blood.
Now you are wearing this T-shirt, this Run for Unity. I can just focus on this
Yeah.
logo. So, I mean, anything to do with this
No.
campaign or this awareness or the tempo that has been built up on Ekta Divas? Anything to do with that?
There was a marathon day before here in the IIT, so I took part in that, and also it's a message that you can also unite yourself by engaging yourself in the blood donation camp.
Okay. And you are in which program? I mean, here?
I'm in the PG first year, MTech. I'm doing MTech.
And which hall?
I'm from Triple M Hall.
Thank you. Now you are from which hall?
I'm from Patel Hall.
You are from Patel Hall. Okay. Excellent. Which year? I mean, which program? Fourth year. You have donated blood before?
Yeah, it's my third time.
So how do you feel? I mean,
It feels good, after all the sins we committed, one blood donation and everything's good.
so you have been part of the organizing team or you are just another donor?
I'm an ex-all council member. Now I'm not a part of the all council. I was last year a part of it.
So how did the idea of this blood donation camp came? I mean,
It has been coming for the past few years. I mean, right from my first year, there was blood donation camps regularly held in the campus.
Right.
This is my third time in the campus itself. So it's a very good initiative.
thank you. Yours is first time?
Yes.
I mean, and yours is third time. Okay, so your friends. I mean, you knew each other before coming here. No, you don't belong to the same hall. So what had been your motivation? I mean,
My brother, he had been donating blood since 2 years, and I was unable to donate blood because I
so
was.
your younger brother.
Yeah.
So he's ahead of you in
He
terms
was
of blood
outside
donation.
the home, and my parents didn't allow me. So
Your parents didn't allow. Now you have got a very truthful person. Truthful and honest. Parents didn't allow.
Yeah.
Why? What was the problem?
you are weak.
You are weak. No, that is up to the doctors
And
to.
there is very little blood in you. No, it's for yourself.
So did you inform your parents this time?
Yeah, last night.
You have informed and they
Yeah.
allowed you?
Yeah. My father is generous, my mother is a bit worried about
Mothers are always careful about their child's health.
And some misconception that donating blood will decrease the blood in my arm, so that's why.
So parents, I mean, in their time, perhaps this blood donation was not that much prevalent, so they worry actually.
Yeah.
Right. And did you run yesterday? This run for unity, that thing, huh?
Yeah, I ran
So you completed the entire that 5-6 kilometer? Excellent, excellent. Very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Anything you want to say? Third time donor?
Everyone should donate.
You're donating only in the camps or occasionally you have to go to some hospital?
In my BSc, there are 2 donations. I mean, from medical hospitals, they give trials. So I donated blood. Also, my blood is they are no negative. So I think it should be. I think people may be needing it.
People may be needing it. Not very easily available. Okay, thank you. We have some NSS volunteers. You are NSCC volunteers. You are NSS volunteers, so all of them are friends today. So they all come up for this cause of blood donation. So just completed. So I'll just ask few questions like, I mean, what had been your motivation? This Ekta Divas, Rashtriya Ekta Divas, or just you were waiting for this opportunity to donate blood? Bolo?
We should always donate blood because first of all it helps in the blood. Because when someone needs blood, our blood will help, and also if we donate some certain amount of blood, and our body again regenerates fresh blood cells, and it's
Okay. So is it first time donation for you? Or?
I donated for the first time.
This is donated for the first time. So you are in first year, second year, which year?
Second.
You are in second year. So you didn't get opportunity before, but you were aware that donation is good. So you are first timer?
Yeah, I'm also first time.
You are also first timer? Alright. So did you feel scared any time, like when they are picking up the syringe and all? You got scared?
Yeah, I got little bit of anxious.
Initially. Now you're comfortable. Huh? No more. What about you?
This is my second time and it
You're-
feels so good.
You're donating it second time? Excellent. So, I mean, so what was the other occasion? Another such camp or
Yeah, another such camp.
another such camp?
May 12.
In the May. So you're a habitual blood donor. Okay. So anything, I mean, your parents at any point of time, because I was in the other blood donation camp, and some of them were saying that parents often prevent them. They, especially the mother, they are scared. There is nothing from the parents. Have you told them that you are donating blood? Take it. Thank you. Conversation with again another NSS volunteer and NCC volunteer who just donated blood. So the question is same. What had been the motivation? I mean, why you came forward?
Actually, as volunteer, not only as volunteer, but as being a human, I feel more respectable and to show that I have something in my mind and I want to give something for the people, those who do not afford to take blood by money. So if I can give some of my...
So this is going to government blood bank, so it will be available for free actually.
Yes, of course.
So that is one of the motivation, those who cannot buy blood and all. Fine. Excellent. So what had been your motivation?
So basically I have done the second time, I have done it earlier.
Okay.
So it feels good as my parents are also doing this. So
Parents are also doing it.
So
Excellent.
they are a source of motivation for me blood donating because they have been regularly donating blood.
So your parents are, I mean, in service or
They are in government jobs. So my father has donated around 7 to 8 times.
Is it?
And so I
Excellent.
have been on his path and started donating blood. So
Excellent. So our all deep respect to your father and to have a son like you. Okay. So thank you and keep donating and keep serving the humanity, I would say. Okay, and the community.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.